Adjustment letter for inferior quality. In above lecture, we have discussed about the adjustment letter. Today we are concentrating on the adjustment letter in the unit number 3, but the inferior quality. Above we have discussed about the damaged goods, destroyed goods, shortage of goods, inferior quality is communicating today. So received a letter of complaint Sun Pharma about the inferior quality. We are write this letter on this behalf. Zydus Chemical is writing to Sun Pharma. Explanation for inferior quality. Here they are asking only the explanation for inferior quality. We have received your letter for complaint about the inferior quality of goods. We are extremely sorry for the supply of the goods and trouble caused to you by our mistake. In fact, this is the mistake of our storekeeper. By mistake, he labeled wrongly. Again, we are saying that it is the mistake of packing department, storage department, transportation department. So, in each and every adjustment letter, this is a common line that I am going to remembering you. Necessary steps have been taken to avoid such mistake in future. We are again very sorry for our mistake. We hope you will be satisfied with our explanation. You will get your goods within 5 days. We hope to get a large and regular order from in future. So there is no change in adjustment letter. Most of the adjustment letter are the same. Talent Stationery has received a complaint for inferior goods from Hallmark Pen House. Draft letter, Talent Stationery, Hallmark, reference is at there. We can also write subject line here. We have received your complaint of August 10, 2019. We sorry to know you that you received deluxe pens instead of star pens. As soon we got complaint, we check our records. We found by mistake our new clerk dispatched a parcel of deluxe pens to you. Again, packing department, transportation department, clerk had made mistake. So this is a common. Please send us the inferior quality goods back at our cost and we shall transport you the new quality and quantity goods as soon. It means in 2 days. We regret for inconvenience. Thank you, your faithfully. Adjustment letter for different goods. Different means in quality, in company, and so. As a supplier, write a letter to customer regretting for the supply of different goods, making an appointment adjustment of the complaint in this connection. Global Industrial Unit is to Orbit. Adjustment for complaint, reference of letter. Deeply regret to supply different goods and sincerely we are saying sorry to you. Apology means sorry. As a matter of fact, the parcel was for Jamnagar, not for Bhavnagar. It was just a mistake of storekeeper. Kindly return the goods. Hindustan Hardware Company of Jamnagar. At our cost, a new parcel containing of correct goods will be supplied to you through Rajasthan Roadways, Delhi. It will be received to you within 4 days. We are sorry to you and we assure for good and greater service in future. Enclosure is at their truck receipt. Adjustment letter for misbehavior. Messrs. Kiran and Son to Men's Warehouse Variety. We have come to know from your letter that salesmen misbehave at your showroom. We are extremely sorry for that. Necessary steps have been taken against our salesman. We feel sorry for your misconduct. He has sincerely apologized for it and will do not do the same in next time. In fact, it was a heavy tension on that day. He had bad terms with himself and staff also, but now he will all right. We hope you will forgive him and no problem will remain same in future. Adjustment for quartz watch to Gandhi and Son. We are extremely sorry that you heard that employee Mr. Bhatnagar misbehaved with your. Unfortunately, I was not present at that time. I had important business meeting. In fact, Mr. Bhatnagar is very cooperative and frank. But on that day, he had a lot of work to do because of our two staff members were also on a leave. So he had lost temper. When you inquired him, I told Mr. Bhatnagar he is also very ashamed of his rude behavior. So you also apologize to you. We assure you that in future course of action you will never find such kind of problem. We don't want to lose our regular customers. I hope you are satisfied with my explanation. Please do not misunderstand us. We are in a good business relationship with you and we want to be a good business relation with you for a lifelong. We have received a complaint of discontinuity of your customer. Customer is asking for suitable reply for discourtesy. So Home Decor is writing to customer Dhwani Patel. We are extremely sorry to know our salesman Mr. Y.C. Modi had misbehaved with you. Unfortunately, I was not present when you telephoned to our shop. Actually, you are our regular customer, you are our valuable customer, and because of my business tour, my salesman Mr. Y.C. Modi was handling all the business, and because of heavy rush and because of certain number of personal issues on that day, Mr. Y.C. Modi behaved very rude with you. I personally apologize to you, and Mr. Modi is also ashamed for the same behavior. We shall train him how to communicate with regular and all the customers. He is also ashamed for his misbehavior. I assure you, such kind of mistakes never repeat in future. I hope your regular visit at our shop. Thank you. Yours faithfully. So the first part of unit number 3 was completed in earlier lecture. Today we have completed the part number B of unit 3. In next lecture we are going to concentrate on the unit number 3 part C. This is written at here, part B, collection letters. What is the collection? That we will communicate in next lecture.